Hey beautiful, are you tired of your lipstick bleeding, feathering? Let me show you why lip stains are perfect for mature lips. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna start out with prepping your lips. Use a lip balm, a vitamin E, something like that to prep the lip and get it ready for the stain. Just let it sit for a few minutes before you apply the color, and then wipe it all the way off before you apply your lip stain. I'm going to be using the Lipstick Boss lip stain in the color Pink Peach. This is perfect for the light color category. I'm going to make an X right at the Cupid's bow, fill in the lip, and I'm going to let it just sit for a few minutes, and then I'm going to wipe it off. The reason this works is because there's zero feathering. Usually the pigment is going to move on the lips, and then you're going to have some feathering and bleeding, not with lip stain. The next thing is there's no cracking or settling in the lines, because we're going to remove this, and then it's just going to be left with a stained lip. Low maintenance. When you have your drink, eating, you don't have to reapply. You don't have to keep looking at the mirror and making any changes. And then also it has a customizable finish, so we can add some gloss to it if we want some shine. So after a few minutes it's dried, I'm gonna remove it. I say that I'm gonna remove it, but it really isn't going anywhere. And it's not gonna come off until you use some coconut oil or an oil cleanser to remove it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just pop some clear gloss on there. Let me show you some other colors from Lipstick Boss. This is for the clear category. This is the pomegranate. Let me go ahead and put that right here so you can see that, pomegranate. Next we have, this is burnt plum. Perfect for the cool category. Then I'm moving into the deep category with rhubarb. And the soft category with Caramel Delight. It's such a beautiful neutral for the soft category. And then finally the warm category. This is dark brown. So all of these are designed specifically for your color code. So make sure that you're choosing the right color when you're gonna stain your lip, because it's gonna be there for the whole day. I have some resources in the box below. Please subscribe and like this video if it was helpful. Until next time, bye-bye.